Yes, sir. 420 Venice Beach, 2019. Keep it humble. Green team, Green Cloud. Yes, sir. Medicaid, don't hesitate.
Okay, brother. All right. That's beautiful, buddy. That's your latest?
Yes, Joyce. We're streaming live, you know. Streaming live from Venice Beach, 420, 2019. We out here, Green team, Green Cloud. Assemble. Peace, love, cannabis. Ganja for everything. Ganja for grandma, CBD for the baby, CBD for the dog. Give it to your boss. Vote for Bernie. 420. 420. 2019, baby. Unity. Doctor? Happy 420? Alright, thank you, Miss. Keep it herbal. Keep it herbal. Oh yeah, this guy's having a barbecue. Give me the address. Give me the address. Oh, you got the number? You tell her the address?
They're gonna leave. She's a Mexican.
All right, well, hey.
So the two friends,
Well, you know,
they smoke it.
this guy can't. We can't let Rod eat the whole 30 pounds.
Already good. Already lost. Good.
Happy 420, George. Beth? That's a good one. That's a good one.
See, at least I got that little girl combined, right? I was worrying about, oh man, I hope she's at least 21.
But then at the end, you're supposed to go, here's your address. But that's all right.
Oh, look at this one.
But just
Small loose right here.
no, but then she's friends too.
Oh, yeah, she was hot. She was hot.
That's how you make a good party. A lot of people. Come over here. A lot of people. JT always do this thing. Of course.
You gotta do, you mix up the cannabinoids, right? And you take the one side.
Yes, different shades for different breeds. The more the better career.
This is punched out. Rips here, I love it.
Keep it herbal. Plant-based.
Where'd you get this from?
Oh, thank you. Jewish thrift store, baby. That one up in Mar Vista, baby. Yeah.
Looking out, man.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, man. It was great for you, man.
Organizer, the ringleader.
No, Zach Bass. Long live the freak show. Long live the freak show. Keep Venice freaky.
He was double-fisted, so...
Stay freaky, Venice. Happy 420, guys. 420. Come on over, guys. 420. Green Cloud 2019. If we grow enough weed, we can reverse global warming. Good times. Thank you, sir. Good times, boss.